wow, these numbers look great, only to realize that none of it reflects the actual reality. Your campaigns show conversions, but your actual sales don't match. Have you ever looked at your Google AdWords dashboard and thought, wow, these numbers look great, only to realize that none of it reflects the actual reality? Your campaigns show conversions, but your actual sales don't match. That's exactly what happened with one of our clients that came to us, and with our guidance, well, our client generated $284,000 in terms of monthly revenue, getting more than 8 ROAS for their ad spend. This one client shares a story that resembles many of you who have just started out on Google Ads and are handling it all by themselves. Watch this video till the end to understand what mistakes you are making while running the ad campaigns and how you can fix it for the optimum growth for your business. Hi, my name is Amy and welcome back to Softtrix. We are not just another service provider, we are a global team of performance marketers, strategists and creatives who help businesses scale through smart, data-driven advertising. This time our client was a premium beauty equipment brand selling high-value machines like the hydrodermabrasion systems and gently sucks out the dead cells and purify skin, body contouring devices which help in the removal of fat cells, and the laser hair removal tools, along with the other lower price item like the skincare accessories and so on. On paper their campaigns looked active and promising, but behind the scenes it was complete chaos. Their Google AdWords account was showing conversions including the phone call, form submissions and even the purchases, but none of it was real. The calls were not from the genuine leads, the form were not converting and the revenue numbers were completely off. Their ROAS looked impressive, but it was based on fake data. They could not tell which products were actually selling and it all felt like throwing money into a black hole. The fun part is they are not alone. This is a common issue we see with the businesses that have great products but broken tracking systems. So we have asked ourselves, why is this happening? What's causing the disconnect? On conducting a deep audit, and what we found was eye-opening. Their tracking setup was outdated and unreliable. Conversions in the Google AdWords did not match what their internal system was reporting. Key events like the purchases, phone calls and the form submissions were not being tracked properly. Some were duplicated, the others were missing entirely. Honestly speaking, it was like trying to navigate with a broken compass. So we have gathered our team and started rebuilding their tracking infrastructure using the Google Tag Manager. We made sure every important action was recorded accurately. To do that, we have tested every event, cleaned up the data and synced it in real time with their backend system, and suddenly the fog lifted. The numbers started to make much more sense, and for the first time the client could see which campaigns were actually driving the sales. But fixing tracking was just the beginning. We then looked at their ad copy and simply put, it was very weak. The headlines were incomplete, the descriptions lacked clarity and the messaging did not reflect the value of their products. So now think about it. If you are selling a premium equipment that comes with a lifetime support, free training and showroom access, your ads needs to scream trust and professionalism. So we wrote everything. We have crafted compelling benefit driven headlines and the descriptions that highlighted what made their brand different. We have added terms like the flexible financing, rapid shipping and one-on-one training. This boosted the click-through rate and it started climbing almost immediately. Our next target was the keyword strategy, and here is a question for you too. Are your keywords working for you or against you? So let know in the comment section for further discussions. So in this case, they were working against the client. The account was filled with the broad matches and the generic terms that were attracting irrelevant traffic. People were clicking but they were not converting. So we began the cleaning. We have removed the waste keywords and replaced them with the high intent product specific keywords that matched the search terms real customers were using. We have focused on specific terms like professional facial machine, body contouring equipment, and laser hair removal system. These were not just the keywords, they were the buying signals, and they have made a huge difference. Our final task was optimizing the creative assets, and here is another question for you. When was the last time you have updated your ad visuals? For this client, the answer was never. There were no videos, no fresh images, nothing that showed the product in action. And for a visual industry like the beauty equipment, that's a missed opportunity. So we got our editors and created plenty of short 15-second video clip that showed real demos, customer testimonials, and the product highlights. So along with these, we have refreshed all visual assets, high quality product images, updated videos, site links, pricing extension, promotion offers, and whatnot. The ads became more engaging, more informative, and ultimately more clickable. From there, we have moved into ongoing optimization. So every week we have monitored the performance, adjusted bids and the budgets, refined targeting, tested new creatives, and improved the landing pages. We didn't just set it and forget it, we have stayed in the trenches. We also launched a new Pmax campaign focused on best-selling products like Soline 5-in-1, Blaza 7-in-1, and Snella body contouring system. These products had strong demand and great margins, so they were perfect for scaling. Finally, want to know what our efforts result in? So well, we have generated over $284,000 in terms of monthly revenue with a ROAS of 8.21. Our click-through rate increased by 26.61% and our cost per click dropped by 10.31%. But more importantly, the client regained trust in the platform. They went from feeling blind and frustrated to confident and in control. They could finally see which products were driving the real sales, and they had a clear path forward. So if you are watching this and thinking, I need that kind of transformation, then here is what you can do. Start with the proper audit, fix your tracking, upgrade your ad copy, clean up your keywords, invest in strong visuals, and keep optimizing. Soon you will see your results. And or there is another simple way. You can simply call on this phone number or drop us a message at WhatsApp or email, and then let us handle your Google AdWords account for you. Don't just run the ads, we build systems that scale. Our belief lies in the transparency and strategy and the results, because no matter where you are in the world, we have got your back. That's all from our side. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real world marketing insights.